you'll be all right. It's just a bent spungamunger. But there won't be any mountain climbing for a few days.
But, Doc, we've got to get the birthday train over that, the thing, that big, lump, that mountain, today.
I'm sorry. I've got to get Georgia back to the roundhouse.
But...
Why not just flag down another engine?
Yeah. Farnsworth and Pete'll be along soon enough.
Right! Of course, that's what I'll do. I was just about to say that. I know an engine will come along. I'm sure it will. I think. Maybe. See? I told you so. Did I know or what?
You're lucky, that's what.
What do you think you're doing? We...
Oh, what this clown's trying to tell you is that our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side of the mountain won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us.
Yeah. I pull you. I have just pulled a fine passenger train over the mountain. There I was, pulling smoothly, so fine people can enjoy the view, and so other fine people can sleep comfortably, and so other fine people in the dining car can eat. I pull the likes of you. Indeed, 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 indeed.
We aren't gonna make it.
Well, he's not the only engine in the world.
I didn't think he was the right one for us anyway. Ah, that sounds more like the right one.
This time, be careful.
Oh, see, wait, stop! Nothing to it. On the other hand...
Hey, what do you clowns want?
Well, our engine has broken down, and the good little boys and girls won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat, unless you are to be helping us, huh?
You want me to pull you? Listen, kid. Only this morning I pulled a freight train with a very important printing press over the mountain. It'll print books and newspapers for grown-ups to read about important things. I am a very important engine, and I don't pull the likes of you. I do not. I won't pull you. I won't pull you.
Well, I told you there wouldn't be any engines to pull us.
There will so.
There will not.
There will.
There won't.